Finally, there's a trade-in program where you can get rid of that old unique drone you have. I mean, if you bought one and you're feeling regret because you don't have 4K 60 or that sexy orange color. What's good, everybody? My name's Original Dobo, and here on my channel, I do drone and tech related content. So if that's interested at all I ask is that you smash that subscribe button, drop a like on this video. I promise you definitely won't regret it. So I think it was like last week or even yesterday that Autel released and announced their trade-in program where you can basically trade in your old drone for credit towards a new Evo. Now they made a list of accepted drones along with different ratings in which they are going to rank your drone quality in order to determine how much credit you are going to get to apply towards an Evo. We talked about this a little bit when I was in Seattle, but we didn't have a lot of details firmed up because legally they were still trying to hammer out all that mumbo jumbo. But I think finally they've got it all handled. And the three manufacturers, the main manufacturers that they're going to want to accept trade-ins for is for Unique, DJI, and Parrot. Autel is also on that list, but I really don't consider it because that's like sort of cannibalism. It's accepting themselves. But from Autel, they will accept X-Star Premiums and X-Stars as accepted trade-ins. And then the DJI list, if I'm not mistaken, I have it pulled up over here. It goes from the Spark all the way down to the Phantom 4 Pro. They have the Phantom 4 Advanced on there, but I think it's just eluding the Phantom 4 Pro. I don't know why that wouldn't be on there, but it goes Spark, Mavic, Mavic Air, Mavic Pro Platinum, Mavic 2 Pro, Mavic 2 Zoom, Phantom 3, Phantom 4, Phantom 4 Advanced. I think they're just missing the Phantom 4 Pro, but I'm pretty sure that that is also accepted. On Unique, their lineup is very slim. It's Unique 4K and Typhoon H. Parrot is the Anafi Extended, Bebop, and Bebop 2. And that's the only ones that are on this list currently today. And then from that point, they have a ranking system where it's you have A, B, or C. And obviously A is going to be meticulous and fully functioning, batteries work, props, charger, everything is intact. Whew, it's a mouthful. And then B is it's functioning with a few small scratches, no cracks, water damage. Remote control and all accessories are functioning. And then of course you have non-functioning, but there's no physical damage to that unit. That would be class C. Pretty cool. Even better, they do work with your local dealers. So if you have a dealer local to you, you can work with them directly instead of having to wait, ship it off to Autel. The dealer will appraise your drone and go through the same process, which is a first. Like this is absolutely an industry first, that they are going to be allowing dealers to participate in this program. I know for one that DroneWorks, we are going to be participating in this, so you can contact us directly. We'll go through the same appraisal process and give you the same amount of credit as Autel would. It's pretty cool. Not sure how they're handling things on the back end, but honestly, it doesn't matter. If it gets you into that brand new drone and gets you closer to this Evo product, it's pretty cool. Now, the Evo is $999, so I sort of beg the question if somebody is going to get a Mavic 2 Zoom and trade it in because maybe they didn't like the Mavic 2 Zoom and they're way outside their return policy. Given the fact that this is $999 and the amount of the Mavic 2 Zoom is a bit more, I wonder where the depreciation factor is going to play and exactly how much credit they would be given, considering that this is a $999 drone. Does it go towards extra batteries? I don't know. We'll have to find out more about that as people try to utilize this trade-in program. But I think it's great. And I think it's a good foothold for Autel to pursue because it's just going to further prove that they're not going anywhere, that we will see more drones. I know people have doubted that the Evo is not going to have a successor, but I don't believe that. I believe that they're just sort of getting their footing correct. And this is just one more thing that they'll have over their nearest competitor. And I think this firmly proves that they are the number 2 in drones, even though Unique had somewhat of a good foothold, but I don't think they do anymore. Even though there's only one product line, this is like sort of at the tip of most people's tongues. And they're also getting a lot of great advertisement lately. So good stuff. Happy to see it. But let me know if you've considered this since seeing this, or maybe you didn't know that this was a thing. I'll leave a link down below where you can check it out if you're interested. Again, we are going to be utilizing the same process at DroneWorks. So if you're interested in an Evo at any point, you can go ahead and check out either link that will be in the description below. But as always, guys, thanks for watching and stay original.